What's up, guys? Back at the ground blind. I talked about this ground blind in a previous video where the storm had moved it, and the ground blind did well. You know, it served its purpose, and they're real good for folks that number one, they don't want to climb a lean-to, or they're hunting by themselves and they're worried about, you know, falling, and they're easy to get into. And if you hide them correctly, and this one was hid pretty well, you know, you can be successful out of them. But something that we've learned over the years is you need to take them down. Don't leave them up during the summer because the sun will destroy them, and you'll try to get in them in the fall when they'll just come apart like powder. So time to take this ground blind down. Now, something else that I have learned about ground blinds is putting them up is a lot easier than taking them down. I'd much rather come out here and put this ground blind up and try to brush it in than take it down. And you should probably never video yourself taking them down, because they don't always fold up the way you want them to, but I'm going to do it anyway. Well, let's see if we can take it down without looking like an idiot. Make sure there's nothing living in it. Should be as easy as that, right? Should be that easy. No. You know how to, it's like a freaking Rubik's Cube. Anyway, there you go. Well, there you go. How to take down a hunting blind in 32 easy steps. Hope it helps you out.